Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer from crypto.com. In order to select it, you need to tap on the accounts tab in the bottom and then tap on crypto wallet. After that, you will have to select the option of transfer and then tap on withdraw. Then you need to select the option of external wallet as we want to send our money from crypto.com to Coinbase. Then you need to select the option of add wallet address. Here you will be able to see a bunch of different cryptos that you can transfer from your crypto.com account to any other wallet. So you just have to select the cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer USDT, so I'll simply use this search bar in the top and I'll simply search for USDT in this section. Now once you have found USDT, you will have to select the network at which you want to transfer your USDT. After that, it will ask you to provide the wallet address, so you need to open your Coinbase app and select the same coin that you have selected in crypto.com, select the same network, and you just have to copy the deposit address from your Coinbase account. After that, you just have to provide that address in this section. Then in the wallet name, you will have to type Coinbase and you simply need to press continue. On the next page, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions and confirm your withdrawal, and this way you will be able to get your crypto from your crypto.com account to Coinbase. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.